Welcome to the Peak District. That is Ilham Rock. Beautiful. Just before I slip to my death. Tiny little hole up there. Look at the weather, man. Just hiking in the Peak District here. Come across this abandoned barn, I think it is. Yeah, it looks like a barn. The fence is open. I bet one of these things is open. Ah, there we go. This camera actually looks alright in the dark compared to the GoPro. You can see the ceiling and that. I presume this is where they keep animals in the winter time. All the animals that you see out in the summer. There's another one over there actually. Looks like it's abandoned as well. If you look closely, all the ones on the ground are boarded up. Should we go in? Fuck it, let's go. Can anyone explain what's going on there? They look like things you'd put around like ankles or something of animals. But like that's well high off the ground, so what the hell is that for? That looks like some sort of torture device or some shit. What the hell, man? That's creepy. I know they have those things they put on cows' legs, like dairy cows, because basically they've been impregnated and had forced to give birth so many times that their pelvis can't really hold their legs together, so they have to wear like shackles to make sure that they don't do the splits by accident. I don't know what the fuck that is though. That looks weird. There's so much shit in here. Yeah, boy! I'm gonna sit on that next. It literally goes backwards as it goes down. Jeez. Jesus Christ, that drop fucks with my head. Sunset on a mountain. What are you fucking saying? Woo! Mate, sitting on top of Thor's cave watching the sunset, I feel legitimately powerful right now. This is incredible. Bye bye, Mr. Sun. See you again tomorrow. Mate, look how mad this little crevice is. This cave is so mad. Back in Thor's cave, I've noticed there's this back bit down here. So I thought I'd come explore it. See how big it is. Wow. It's mad. Whoa, it's proper hidden in here. Mad. It's kind of like clay-ish in here. Man, what an epic place. This is so cool. Thor's cave, man.